Yo, what's up everyone? This is Betterfly Effect, and we're back with a super interesting topic today. Ever feel like your brain is overloaded with information? Like you're constantly downloading new stuff but can't seem to hold on to it all? We've all been there, right? You read an amazing article, but a week later, poof, it's gone. You have a brilliant idea in the shower, but by the time you get to your phone, it's vanished. It's like our brains are playing some kind of cruel joke on us. But what if I told you there's a way to build your own digital brain, a place where you can store all your thoughts, ideas, and knowledge in a way that's organized, accessible, and always there when you need it? That's what we're diving into today, the world of digital brains and how you can create one to supercharge your life. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're finding these topics interesting, you'll want to stick around for more. Hit that button and let's dive in. So first things first, what exactly are we talking about when we say digital brain? Now, before you picture some futuristic, cyberpunk brain-computer interface, let me clarify. We're not talking about literally replacing your brain. Instead, think of it more like an external hard drive, but for your mind. It's a system for capturing, organizing, and retrieving information outside of your head, using digital tools and techniques. This could be anything from simple note-taking apps to more sophisticated knowledge management systems. The key is that it becomes an extension of your thinking, a place where you can offload information and free up mental space for more important things. Imagine having a massive library in your pocket, accessible at any time. That's the power of a digital brain. It's like having a personal assistant for your thoughts, always ready to help you remember, connect ideas, and generate new ones. Okay, so we've talked about what a digital brain is. Now let's talk about why you actually need one. First and foremost, it's about freeing yourself from the tyranny of your own memory. Let's be real, our brains weren't designed to remember everything. We're constantly bombarded with information and it's impossible to hold on to it all. This leads to stress, missed opportunities, and that frustrating feeling of I know I read that somewhere. A digital brain takes the pressure off. It becomes your trusted repository for all the information you need, whether it's work-related documents, inspiring articles, or just random thoughts you don't want to forget. No more frantic searching through emails or bookmarks. Everything you need is right there, organized and easily accessible. Alright, let's talk about how a digital brain can actually make you smarter. I know it sounds crazy, right? You're not literally increasing your brain size, but think of it like this. Remember that feeling when you're trying to remember something and it's right on the tip of your tongue, but you just can't access it? Super frustrating, right? With a digital brain, that frustration disappears. Having all your important information readily available frees up your mental RAM. You're no longer wasting energy trying to recall every detail. Instead, you can focus on connecting ideas, analyzing information, and coming up with those aha moments. It's like upgrading from an old hard drive to a blazing fast SSD. You're still working with the same computer, but the performance boost is undeniable. That's what a digital brain does for your thinking. Let's face it, our digital lives are messy. We've got files scattered across different devices, notes buried in various apps, and bookmarks pointing to who knows where. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. But a digital brain? That's your secret weapon against the chaos. It's like having a perfectly organized filing cabinet for your mind, where everything has its place and can be retrieved in an instant. Imagine this. You're working on a project and remember a helpful article you read weeks ago. Instead of digging through your browser history or endless folders, you simply search your digital brain and boom. There it is. That's the power of a well-structured digital brain. Alright, so you've been diligently collecting information like a digital hoarder. Your digital brain is packed with notes, files, and resources. But here's the thing. Raw data isn't enough. It's like having a phone with a terabyte of storage but no apps. The real magic happens when you refine that knowledge into something valuable. Think about it. You don't just want a library of facts, you want actionable insights. It's about connecting the dots, finding patterns, and turning information into something you can actually use. That's where your digital brain transforms from a storage unit into a goldmine. This process involves taking all those notes and resources and turning them into something more digestible. Summarize lengthy articles, extract key takeaways, and create frameworks that make the information easier to understand and apply. Remember, a digital brain isn't just about hoarding information, it's about making that information work for you. It's about turning raw data into actionable insights, creative solutions, and ultimately, a better version of yourself. Alright, so you're ready to build your own digital brain? Awesome! Consider this your official welcome to the world of limitless knowledge and organized thought. Now, building a digital brain might sound intimidating, like some complex futuristic tech straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's way more accessible than you might think. Think of it like building with Legos. You start with a basic structure and then add bricks one by one until you've created something amazing. And the best part? There's no right or wrong way to do it. You can customize your digital brain to fit your unique needs and preferences. The first step is choosing the right tools. Don't worry, you don't need any fancy software or expensive equipment. There are tons of free and affordable options available, from simple note-taking apps to more robust knowledge management systems. We'll dive into the specifics of choosing the right tools in a later chapter, but for now, just know that you have options. The key is to find a tool that feels intuitive and easy to use. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier, not more complicated. So choose a tool that you actually enjoy using. Something that feels like an extension of your brain, not a chore to manage. Alright, now that you're fired up and ready to build your digital brain, let's talk about the information itself. In the age of information overload, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of endless articles, videos, and social media posts. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. You're bombarded with so much information that it's impossible to process it all. That's why it's crucial to be selective about the information you choose to record in your digital brain. Don't just save everything you come across. Be intentional about what you choose to keep and why. Think of your digital brain as a curated museum, not a hoarder's basement. You want to fill it with valuable artifacts, insightful exhibits, and thought-provoking pieces that will stand the test of time. So, before you hit that save button, ask yourself, is this information truly valuable to me? Will it help me achieve my goals? Will I actually refer back to it in the future? If the answer is no, then it's probably best to let it go. Alright, so you're ready to start building your digital brain, but where do you even begin? Well, it all starts with capturing information. Think of it like choosing the right camera for the perfect shot. You wouldn't use a disposable camera for a professional photo shoot, right? The same goes for your digital brain. You need the right tools for the job. Luckily, we've got a ton of options in the app world. From simple note-taking apps to full-blown knowledge management systems, there's something for everyone. Some popular choices include Notion, Evernote, Obsidian, and even just good old Google Docs. Each has its own strengths and quirks, so it's worth trying out a few to see which one clicks with your brain. Remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use consistently. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Alright, so you've started capturing information like a pro. But what good is all that knowledge if you can't find it when you need it? That's where organization comes in. Think of your digital brain as a library. If you just throw books in randomly, it's going to be impossible to find anything. But if you organize your books by genre, author, and title, you can easily find what you're looking for. The same principle applies to your digital brain. You need a system for organizing your notes, files, and ideas so you can quickly and easily retrieve them later. Remember, a well-organized digital brain is a happy and productive one. So there you have it, the blueprint for building your own digital brain. It's a journey, not a destination, and it's one that will continue to evolve as you learn and grow. Remember, the goal isn't just to accumulate information, but to connect ideas, spark creativity, and unlock your mind's full potential. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to check out our other videos to keep learning and growing your digital brain.